Welcome back to our channel, guys. If you're coming across our video for the first time, please try and subscribe, okay? And for our returning subscribers, thank you very much, guys. We appreciate you guys a lot, because without you there is no Kesila Luxury Skincare. Okay, guys, we'll be making our pink lips balm, okay, which is a natural balm to help you to moisturize your lips and make it look soft and succulent. Yes, so the things we'll be using in this production, we'll be using shea butter. Okay, we all know that shea butter is a very good moisturizer for the lips. Okay, shea butter, it helps to protect the lips from dryness and champing. It can even help you to heal and soothe a cracked irritated lips. Yes, if you're having a lips that's already cracked, with shea butter you will get a good healing. Okay, it also helps us to prevent a premature aging. So shea butter is very good. Okay, shea butter also helps to, if you're having a swollen lips or redness of the lips, okay, maybe because of the irritation on the bruises you're having in your lips is somehow reddish, shea butter will help to calm it. So if you're looking for a very good natural way of treating your cracked lips, shea butter is one of the ingredients you'll be using. Okay, and we also use a petroleum jelly, which is a Vaseline, which most of us knows about. Vaseline is a moisturizer. Okay, it also helps to create barriers on the skin that prevent water loss. So when you apply it on your lips, it helps to lock the moisture and prevent dryness and champing. Okay, it can also help you to protect your lips from the harsh weather during the cold season, during the dry season or cold season, it depends the city you are. So it will help you to protect your lips, and it helps you again to suit your lips and crack the same when you're having a crack irritated lips. It will help you to prevent it. Okay, the another thing we use is lanolin. Yeah, lanolin is a wax substance. Okay, is extracted from the sheep's wool. Yeah, so if you use the one that can use that can be used for skincare. Okay, there is different types of lanolin, so but the one we are using is the one you can use for skincare. It's used for lips balm. You can use it for a lip balm or other skincare production. So it's also a moisturizer. Okay, it helps to protect your lips also, and it helps to keep your lips hydrated. Okay, yeah, lanolin helps to keep your lips hydrated, so that your lips will not be dry out. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritation and reduce redness. Okay, it helps to protect the lips from sun damage. So we are using things that will help your lips to be moisturized without cracking, without having irritation in it. Okay, the oil we'll be using, we are going to be using a carrot oil, which we formulated on this page. If you check our page, you will see how we got our carrot oil. So carrot oil is packed is a component that has a vitamin E and vitamin A inside it. It's essential for healthy hydrated lips. So carrot oil encourages the collagen production. Okay, it keeps your lips looking plump and youthful. Carrot oil has very wonderful potentials in it. Okay, the vitamin E in it is an antioxidant that helps to protect the lips from free radical damage and inflammation. So carrot oil is also a moisturizer, guys. Yeah, carrot oil is a moisturizer, and it helps to protect or prevent the lips from drying, and it can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in the lips. Okay, instead of your lips to be squeezing and your lips will always be looking nice, beautiful without it squeezing. Okay, it's also protected against sun ray. Okay, guys, please watch this video to the end, because the measurements of this thing will be written at the end of this video. Okay, I will show you the measurements I used on this video, so watch to the end please guys. Okay, and again we use essential oils too on this production, and the essential oils we use, I use rose essential oil, I use grapeseed essential oil. So, and before we put the essential oil, so we double boil the formulation, we double boil the beeswax, the lanolin, the shea butter, and the Vaseline. Okay, it was double boiled. So when you mix it like this, after everything you double boil it, that is putting water in a pot and putting the plates in the pot. So please, in case if you're using plates, know the kind of plate you're using. Don't use a plate that will melt. Okay, use something like a ceramic plate or a glass plate, that when you double boil it, it will not melt. Don't worry about the measurement. The measurement is at the end of the video, so if you watch to the end, you will get to see the measurement of this. So after double boiling it, you see it will melt. Yeah, it will melt. When it has melted, that is when we added the essential oils and the color into it. Okay, the essential oil, as I said, why I use rose essential oil is because of the benefits in it. Okay, rose essential oil is a concentration of vitamin E. It helps to hydrate and prevent the leaves from drying out also. So it's a very good essential oil. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in it. Okay, it makes it is a great option for treating skin irritation or skin infection. In case if you're having some infection on your lips or something like cracking, or you know, there's some people that their lips is always bleeding, so it helps. Rose essential oil is very good to use in adding in your pink lips. Okay, we also use a grapeseed. Okay, I love grapeseed or essential oil a lot because it's still very good for the lips. Okay, it also contains anti-inflammatory properties that help to soothe and heal and dry cracked lips. Okay, it's oil moisturizer and it nourishes properties to help the lips hydrated and prevent them from becoming chapped. Okay, a grapeseed oil also helps to restore your skin natural moisture barrier. So it's not just only that is for lips. You can still use it to add up in your oil or your cream. Okay, so grapeseed is very good. We also added our vitamin E too. Yeah, we added our vitamin E there, so which is an antioxidant there, and it's very good also to in your formulation of pink lips. So this is the oil. It has melted, you guys can see it. So now after the melting, I added all the whole essential oils before we now add the color. So when we added the essential oils, all the necessary essential oils we need, which is the grapeseed, some few drops, the rose essential oil, and the rest of it into it. So before we now add the color was the last thing we used in this. Okay, I forgot to put this. We also added a beetroot extract. Yes, I had a beetroot extract. I added a little in this. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to tell us where you're watching us from, so that we'll be able to send our greetings to you. I know in this channel we'll be bringing you a lot of things you can do at the comfort of your home, or the things you can use the things in your house to formulate. This is a DIY channel where we'll be helping you out so that you'll be able to ease off some stress of buying things, but so you can be using them to do your own formulation. Okay, so guys, and this is the oil ready. So the pink leaves is ready here. The why I have to melt it this way is so that we'll be able to fill it in the bottle we are using, or the container we are going to use, because if it's strong we'll not be able to fill it. So we have to melt it like this, but it just takes few seconds to get strong, or to get to become strong. Yeah, it doesn't take minutes because of the beeswax in it. Okay, because of the beeswax in it, it doesn't take long for you to get strong. Yes, this is the color. So our pink lips is getting ready, guys. So this is the color. We have mixed it. You can use any color of your choice in this. I use a food color. I use a food color that you can get from people that sells all these people that sell cake materials. Okay, you can see I divided the oil into two, because I know this color used to somehow deceive. So that was why I divided the oil into two, so that we'll be able to add the remaining when we finish. When we add the color finish, we'll be able to add the remaining oil, which I have returned back there. So I've added the remaining oil into it. So this is the pink lips now. It's ready, and we'll be filling it. I'll be filling it in the bottles, or how will I call it? Yeah, in the containers. I'll be filling them in the containers I'm going to use to store it. Okay, these things you can give it out, make it for your family, make it for your loved ones, give it out as a gift as we are entering as we are moving to Xmas season, so that their lips will be always be moisturized, their lips will look so succulent, guys. Yes, this is it. The pink lips is already, we are already feeling it is getting ready. You can't wait to see this, the result of this. Okay, you can do any color you want. You can do any color you want in this. If you want a chocolate color, you want yellow color, you want a natural color, you want a golden color, any color you want in this, you can do it. So the difference there was just the color that you will use to change it. That is just the only thing that you have to change. So every other formulation is good to go. So this is our pink lips ready now. Okay guys, you can see the pink lips, so beautiful. Yes, it's already so beautiful, so beautiful. Don't mind my hand, it's the glove I was wearing that made my hand to look whitish. So this is the pink lips. That's how your lips will be pinky. You can see that the pink is pinking, guys. Yeah, the pink is pinking. So that's how it will be. That's the one in the balm on. Yeah, that is it. That's how it looks. So this will always moisturize your lips. Okay, it will help you to heal up any cracked lips you're having, and you're good to go. So guys, thank you for watching. We appreciate you guys. Okay, please don't forget to put on your notification bell, so that you'll be able to know when we upload new videos, and we'll be bringing you more interesting and simple videos that you can be able to do in your home, at the comfort of your home. Okay guys, thank you very much. You can see the lips is sleeping and is pink.